Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. 2014 in the year Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 2-litre TDI BlueMotion tech. It's a match 4-wheel drive, one owner from new, 75,000 miles, 12 services, doesn't need a service, cam belt replaced at 54,000 miles. Serviced at 7, 15, 25, 34, 43, 54, 60, 62, 66, 68, 70 and 75,000 miles. Has a panoramic roof, satellite navigation and heated seats. Freezing cold climate control. I've just driven it. Drives like new. What a beautiful car. £8,295. Immaculate. Java bronze, metallic, dark grey blacky cloth, aluminium roof rails, front park sensors, front fog lamps, matching Dunlop tyres all round, immaculate alloy wheels, rear park sensors, space saver, spare wheel, rear park sensors. Tis 4-wheel drive, tis one owner from new, tis MOT'd until next May, parcel shelves in there. Spare wheel, wheel locking key, jack, wheel brace, toolkit, it's all there. Beautiful, beautiful thing. No dents, no scratches, matching premium tyres, 12 services, one owner, 2 keys. Beautiful. No dents, nothing. Stone chips, very, 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 very few. Panoramic tilt slide sunroof with a sunshade. Fitted mats throughout. Super clean. Fold up and down trays in the back. Every door card immaculate. Everywhere you look, beautiful. Self-parking assistant. Electric mirrors, heated mirrors, folding mirrors. Electric windows all round. 2 remote keys, automatic lights, cruise control, leather, multifunction steering wheel, 75,829 miles, satellite navigation, DAB radio, heated seats, self-parking assistant, mint, 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 carpet mats in there. Beautiful, beautiful car. One owner. Mega, mega, mega service history. Beautiful, beautiful example. Good spec. Can't fault it. 8295 won't be here long. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those, plenty of Tiguans in amongst them. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will get a notification every time we upload a video, a fresh car into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.